Honda City Throttle, body calibration, procedure. Make sure ignition switch is at on position. Then connect scanner OBD with car OBD port. Make sure it's light on. Then open Diagzone Pro application. Then click on Local Diagnose. Then select Asian category. Then click on Honda logo. Then click on OK. Then click on 16-pin and then click on General. Then select PGMFI. Then click on Enter. Then press OK. Then click on Read fault code. Check for errors and then clear errors. Go back. Click on Clear fault code. Then do as I do. Then click on Read fault code again to make sure code is removed. Then click on Special Function and press OK. Then click on Throttle Learning. Follow what I do. Make sure car is at parking or neutral position and handbrake is pulled. Keep watching, please. Then start your car to check RPM. Then click on Read Data Stream and select Engine Speed to check its RPM. Throttle learning is completed. Check light goes off and RPM is stable at its original position.